Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to stop translating automatically on Chrome browser from your laptop or desktop. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just browse my language, which is a Russian newspaper. So I would like to browse the language, but I know the language, so the Google Translate, that is here, automatically Russian to English automatically it will come, because it will direct you to the different kind of location. Automatically your language will be changed into English. If you want, control this kind of setting in your Chrome browser to stop translating all the things into English. So how to stop? Just go to your Chrome browser setting and just click the three dots in the right hand side corner. Just go to the settings. So it will direct you to the Chrome browser setting option. So here you will find autofill, safety and everything. Just click advanced. Once you click advanced, automatically the language option will be open here. Just hit the button language, automatically language part will be open here. So here there will be a spell check, a use spell check for English and United States of English will be available. Here you can find, just hit the button on the right hand side corner for the small arrow. So once you click the small arrow, automatically offer to translate page or not language to read, just hit off. So once you toggle off, means automatically translate will be stopped from your browser. So this is an easy step, easy to get the setting option to off your setting. Yes, now I have set it out, just closed. So now I can able to browse a different kind of a news. So my news will be local language, automatically it will be displayed over here. So there is no option will be open here, so whether your language should be changed or not. So this is an easy step. You can read your own local language with your part, so without any other disturbance from Google Chrome browser. It may irritate your reading capacity, so that's why this option is given from the Google Chrome. This is an easy step. You can able to go to the setting option and click advanced language and select the toggle, and you can able to off your translate page. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.